this is not what I wanted to see. I really didn't want to see this.
Go.
This is not good. Can we get south?
No, let's stay right here. Look at it's like
We're right here.
yeah, we can flip around and go 1 mile south and get east. Yeah, we need to get.
Whoa! Here comes the
flip
bridge.
around.
In fact, I'd like to sit right here and watch it.
Just so we got a way out.
Significant damage in Newcastle. All right, stop.
The people of Moore should know that their country will remain on the ground, there for them, beside them, as long as it takes. For there are homes and schools to rebuild, businesses and hospitals to reopen, their parents to console, first responders to comfort, and, of course, frightened children who will need our continued love and attention.